1 rapid USB charging port. 1 standard USB charge port. Soft touch finish. Included components: AC adapter. A smart pair of ports. Charge up to 2 devices at once and use the blue port to charge devices faster. Designed for use with any USB-A charging cables. Top reviews from the United States. Last long and changed my phone fast. Love it the best when I had fast charger box, it's well worth the money. Skullcandy Quality. Okay. Skullcandy stuff is usually pretty good. This did meet expectations. Awesome is a word I would use. So far it's worth what they charge for it and I have no complaints. Handy and useful, dual connectivity. I don't have any issues with it whatsoever. Thanks. So far, so good.